Why is the ocean salty? One day at the beach, Max tasted the ocean water and wondered why it was salty.
Luna, why is the ocean salty?
Luna explained that the ocean becomes salty because rivers carry tiny amounts of salt from the land into the ocean.
Rivers carry tiny amounts of salt from rocks and soil into the ocean, making it salty over time.
Max was curious about how the salt from the land ends up in the ocean.
How does the salt get into the ocean from the land?
When rain falls, it wears away tiny pieces of salt from rocks. Rivers carry that salt to the ocean.
Luna explained that the ocean's saltiness builds up over millions of years.
This process has been happening for millions of years, making the ocean salty over time.
Max was curious about why the ocean stays salty while rivers and lakes have fresh water.
Why is the ocean salty? The rivers and lakes have fresh water.
When ocean water evaporates, the salt stays behind. This makes the ocean salty, while fresh rain refills rivers and lakes.
Luna explained that when the sun heats the ocean, the water evaporates, but the salt stays behind.
The sun heats the ocean, and the water evaporates into the sky, but the salt stays behind, making the ocean salty.
Max was amazed to learn that even though water evaporates, the salt stays in the ocean.
So, even when the water evaporates, the salt stays in the ocean?
Yes. The water becomes clouds and rains back into rivers, but the salt stays in the ocean, making it salty.
Max smiled, now understanding why the ocean water tastes salty.
Now I understand why the ocean water tastes salty.
Exactly, Max. The salt has been building up for millions of years, and that's why the ocean is salty today.
Luna explained that the salt in the ocean is important for many creatures living in the sea.
Salt is important for the ocean because many sea creatures need it to survive.
Max smiled, feeling excited to learn why the ocean is salty and how important the salt is for sea life.
Thanks, Luna. Now I know why the ocean is salty and why sea creatures need it.
You're welcome, Max. The salt in the ocean is a vital part of life in the sea, making it a special and important place.